Hi, it's Mick here, and in today's video we're going to be showing you how you can add additional RFID cards to your Hanchu EV charger. So the first thing I want you to do is I want you to take your username and password that was provided by your installer and log into the Hanchu web portal. Once you have logged in, you'll be presented with the home page where you'll see a nice house and all the products that you have installed working and doing their thing. Now on the left hand side we have the word home, and underneath that we have the word device. I'd like you to select device. This will then take you to the next page where I'll show all the devices that are tethered to your account. I then want you to select the EV charger, which will highlight in blue and will open up the overview page for the EV charger. Across the top is the word remote settings, so if you select that, and before we do anything else, I need you to press get data. That then will bring up all the data for the EV charger and all the settings that have now currently been set. So inside the EV charger, you will get 2 RFID cards, but if you want to purchase some more, you can, and you can add them. So if you've got multiple points or multiple employees, if it's for a business, you can get more RFID cards. You can set them to a particular person as well, so you know which RFID card has been activated. But right down at the bottom here, it says RFID card management. And you'll already have your 2 cards which are preset to that particular EV charger, but if you want to add more, it's very simple. Just there at the bottom, you have a little plus sign. If you press the plus sign, then card 3 will appear. You will then put in the serial number, which will be given to you inside the packet with the RFID card. You'll put the serial number in, and right next to it there is a little tick. You're going to press the tick, and then you will press set at the top. And you will just continue that process depending on how many RFID cards you've actually purchased. But that's how easy it is to add the RFID cards to the Hanchu EV charger. Thank you.